Now, we're not saying that desires or emotions or feelings are bad. Not at all. God created us to be passionate people, people full of good feelings and emotions and desires that propel us to do good actions for the love of God and for the good of others. But as a consequence of original sin and personal sin, we've made a mess out of our desires. Because of sin, our desires too often push us with such a strong force to want things that are not good for us and to do things that are not good for us or good for others. Now, there's a fancy theological word for this. It's called concupiscence, which basically describes the human desire for things that we know aren't good for us. Folks with diabetes sometimes have sugar cravings, and alcoholics sometimes want whiskey, and we all sometimes just have the urge for something sinful. We want something good, but we want it in a disordered way. That's the problem. Too often we're controlled by disordered desires. Desires for things that are destructive to ourselves and others. This is where temperance comes in. Temperance is the virtue that gets control of these disordered desires and directs them to the real and lasting happiness of union with God and the good things of life. The Catechism says that temperance is the moral virtue that moderates the attraction of pleasures and provides balance in the use of created goods. It ensures the will's mastery over instincts and keeps desires within the limits of what's honorable. So, temperance is the virtue that keeps us from doing what is wrong, even when we really want to.